How the 2% SST exemption works. For rental and leasing, invoice and SST02 guide. 2% service tax exemption.
The government has approved a 2% service tax exemption on rental or leasing services. This means the effective service tax rate is now 6%, even though the legal rate remains 8%.
Effective the 1st of January 2026.
The Royal Malaysian Customs Department has issued guidance on the 2% service tax exemption for rental or leasing services, approved under the Service Tax Policy No. 2/2025 Amendment No. 3, dated the 23rd of January, 2026. This exemption is granted by the Minister of Finance under Section 34(3)(a) of the Service Tax Act 2018 and applies until the relevant subsidiary legislation is gazetted.
Invoicing requirements.
Service providers for rental or leasing services must reflect the 2% exemption on invoices in accordance with Regulation 10(1)(a) of the Service Tax Regulations 2018.
Service providers may adopt one of the following methods only.
Method 1. Show exemption separately. Rental value, Rm1000. Service tax at 8%, Rm80. Less 2% exemption, Rm20. Total payable, Rm1060. Method 2. Charge at effective rate. Rental value, Rm1000. Service tax at 6%, Rm60. Total payable, Rm1060. A note, pengecualian 2% cukai perkhidmatan kadar cukai dengan nilai Rm20 appears under Method 2 in the invoicing example provided by Customs. Even though Method 2 only shows 6% service tax on the invoice, the note is included to explain that the original statutory service tax rate is 8%. A 2% exemption has been granted. The exempted portion equals Rm20, 2% of Rm1000.
Why is the note important?
It provides audit clarity that a tax exemption was applied. It explains why only 6% service tax is charged. It supports compliance with Regulation 10(1)(a), even when the exemption is not shown as a separate line item.
Both methods result in the same payable amount. So choose whichever suits you. SST02 declaration.
For SST02 reporting, declare service tax at the 6% rate. Report the exempted rental value under column 18, C3. The value reported as exempted must be equal to the taxable rental value.
Example, SST02 reporting for rental services 2% exemption.
Scenario, rental service value for the taxable period, Rm1000. Effective service tax rate after exemption, 6%. Column 10, value of taxable services, Rm1000. Full rental value provided. Column 11C, taxable services at 6%, Rm1000. Select service tax rate at 6%. Service tax payable, Rm1000 times 6% equals Rm60. Column 18C3, exempted taxable services. Other services are M1000. Value of rental services subject to the 2% exemption.
Key point to remember, the exempted value reported in column 18, C3, must be the same as the taxable rental value, not the exempted tax amount.
In simple terms, you pay tax at 6%. You declare the full rental value as exempted under column 18, C3, to reflect the 2% exemption.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped clarify the latest SST changes. Follow us for more updates and tips.
This content is provided for compliance training purposes. We will continue to share practical insights on tax and compliance topics in future training content. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.